Your assessment po dito sa defense submission ni Attorney Lee Kaufman.
The prosecution theory has been shattered to pieces.
Beyond the pieces.
You know why? Because the very testimonial evidence and documentary evidence presented by the prosecution have been thoroughly rebutted by, let's go to the testimonial evidence, contradictions between and among the so-called witnesses, even contradictions with the witness himself or herself. Madalit sabi, puro batay or based on hearsay, double hearsay, speculation, surmises. Hindi naman sa documentary evidence, sinabi ko na kanina yon, yung the very document na pininisinta nila para ipakita yung murderous intent, saka yung tinatawag nilang community or conspiracy between the President and the PNP, sumabog din sa mukha nila kasi yung dokumentong circular na sinasabi nilang yun ang command to kill ay lumalabas. The very document itself shows na nakalagay doon, if you have to arrest, you have to do it in accordance with law. Sumabog sa mukha nila lahat. Of course, the prosecution is saying na maganda yung kanilang presentasyon, but they are entitled to their imagined satisfaction of their presentation.
So in short, sir.
In short, bagsak sila. If the resolution of the International Criminal Court will be based on evidence, dismiss ang kaso.
Or what could be other basis ng ICC for doing otherwise sa magiging decision po nila?
Doon na papasok yung, kasi there are many people who have watched the proceedings very hopeful na matidismiss. Kami kasi, ang problema, this court has assumed jurisdiction when there is not. In violation of the Rome Statute on the principle of complementarity. Secondly, despite the fact that the defense has raised the issue of jurisdiction in the matter of withdrawing, bakit nila sinimulan pa rin ang confirmation of charges? And that's part of the proceeding.